If you encounter billing errors on your Equifax business account, it is important to address them promptly to maintain accurate financial records. Follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents related to the billing error, including invoices, payment receipts, and any correspondence with Equifax. This will help you present a clear case when contacting customer service. Step 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to Equifax Business Customer Service via phone or their online support portal. Be prepared to provide your account details and a summary of the billing error to facilitate a quick resolution. Step 3. Explain the issue. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow up. After your initial contact, keep track of your case number and any promises made by the representative. If you do not receive a resolution within the promised timeframe, follow up to ensure your issue is being addressed. Step 5. Review the resolution. Once Equifax resolves the billing error, review your account to ensure that the corrections have been made. If everything looks accurate, keep your documentation in case of future discrepancies. By following these steps, you can efficiently resolve billing errors on your Equifax business account. Taking prompt action will help ensure your financial records remain accurate and up to date.